Hi friends, Mrs. Neerman here. I have a story to share with you today called Scaredy Snacks by Terry Border. It was cleaning day at the snack cabinet and everyone was hard at work. But Sprinkles didn't feel like cleaning at all. Instead, she wanted to welcome Dr. Nuttenstein, the new neighbor who had moved in next door. Word on the kitchen counter was that he was a little bananas. But Sprinkles didn't mind. She was a tough cookie and convinced her friends Doodle and Pretzel to come along. One of the doors to the creepy old house wasn't quite closed, and when they knocked, it swung wide open. Creak! "Hello," called Sprinkles. "Is anybody home?" All they heard was silence. "Let's just put our welcome card inside," she said. "This place smells moldy, like my cousin Gorgonzola," said Doodle once they got inside. "It's twisted," said Pretzel, "and not in a good way. This Dr. Nuttenstein seems rotten." "Aw, stop acting like baby food," said Sprinkles. Then they heard the door again. Creak! Someone was coming. "That must be Dr. Nuttenstein," whispered Pretzel. "I think that's what a mad scientist looks like," whispered Cheese Doodle. Sprinkles didn't say anything. As they watched as Dr. Nuttenstein used blenders and choppers, he pushed buttons, he flipped switches, and then a loud zap. "It's alive!" shouted Dr. Nuttenstein. The three friends realized that they were in a terrible pickle. "It's a monster cookie," whispered Pretzel. "A cookie monster," moaned Doodle. "A peanut butter biscuit beast," gasped Sprinkles. Just then, Dr. Nuttenstein looked down at the floor. "Who made this mess?" he asked his cookie creation. "We'll have to teach them a lesson." There's a mess on the floor. I wonder who left it. "That nutty doctor is going to find us," whispered Cheese Doodle. "He could turn me into a grilled cheese doodle." "I feel like crying," sobbed Pretzel, "and then I'll be soggy." "I'm so scared I might lose all my sprinkles," said Sprinkles. "Aha!" Dr. Nuttenstein shouted. The trio froze like popsicles. The doctor studied them carefully, then slowly and quietly said, "Come with me." He searched through his gruesome tools. Sprinkles and her friends were horrified. They were petrified. They were dizzy with fear. Then Dr. Nuttenstein spoke his nightmarish words. "Take these brooms and get busy," he said. "I want this place spotless." "Oh, no," cried the snacks. But as they cleaned, they found out that if they worked together, it wasn't so bad. So when Sprinkles took a break and didn't come back, Doodle and Pretzel were pretty upset. They went home to let her know. After waving goodbye to the snacks, Dr. Nuttenstein and his creature friend got ready for dinner. But it turned out the creature wasn't hungry at all. Because sometimes that's the way the cookie crumbles. Dun, dun, dun. All right, and that is the end of Scaredy Snacks. The book doesn't tell us what happened to poor little Sprinkles, but I bet you can make an inference for yourself to see what you think might have happened to her. I hope you enjoyed Scaredy Snacks. Have a great day, friends.